So we're here in Antigua, the first capital of Guatemala, until the earthquake shattered it to pieces in 1773, 3 years prior before the American independence was declared. So we're in Antigua. The goal is to show you guys around here in Antigua. So far it's been quite an experience just walking through history and coming to realize that the world is just not Estados Unidos, right? The world is everyone, and everyone made the world, right? What it is. And traveling and coming to places like this and getting lost, not knowing the language, not knowing the culture, but just the sense of trying to learn new things will change you and change everything that one come to know about, not just yourself, but the entire world. That's why I travel. You know, I'm going to bring these untold stories to you. Hola. So I'm pretty much lost walking through the town of Antigua. The people here is pretty nice. They're very kind. Everyone I've met, hola, ¿cómo estás? Very, very cool people. And what I'm sensing here, just walking through the town of Antigua. I know this town was famous for Instagram pictures and stuff like that, but I'm not here to get those Instagram pictures. I'm here to tell a story. The air here is fresh air. The people here seems kind, like I said earlier. And people here are so friendly. You can talk to anyone, right? You know how they make the world look like a scary place that you can't leave your couch. You can only watch breaking news from CNN and Fox News. I don't think it's like that, man. You got to venture out, experience the world. You know what I mean? And if you're Black American or African, people want to get to know you, because some people only see us on TV, our music, our culture, that's spread all over the world, right? People want to experience that, right? So if you're watching this video, and if you are in the diaspora of African descent, or whatever you may be, and whatever you or whatever you are, right? Learn to venture out of your couch, experience the world, right? It's not as scary as the media make it to be. So learn to experience the world. The world is big, man. It's a global village. It's not usually what the media sells. It's just different vibe out here, different atmosphere. So I went down to J. Maya. J. Maya is one of the most prestigious jewelry store here in Antigua, and I had to talk to the lady about what she sells, right? Because all the jades within the shop is very, very expensive. But that is what makes it rewarding, because people come from all over the world just to get the jade from J. Maya. And it was a pleasure talking to the owner and just touring this place. And I think when you come down here to Antigua, you should check out J. Maya. If you're into jewelries and all the stuff like that. If you're on vacation in Antigua, Guatemala, please make sure you check out J. Maya. Great store. So we're here in Antigua. In what's the store name?
This is Jade Maya. So
Jade
you
Maya.
are very welcome to come here. We have pieces of jade from Guatemala, jadeite.
Okay.
We have many like animals. We also have here jewelry. You can see that we have many necklaces, earrings. All is jade combined with another.
So what makes? Why should people come to the store? Like, what make it important?
Because we have the best jade in Antigua.
Antigua,
This
okay.
is the first factory. We were open in 1974. So that's why we invite you to come here to Jade Maya.
So they have real jade, not the thing you be buying at Walmart. So if you happens to come down to Antigua, check out the store. These are real jade. So if you come out here to Guatemala, you can check out the jade store here in Antigua. And for the price, pretty decent price. So if you guys come out to Guatemala, Antigua, make sure you check out the store. I feel like I'm walking through history, 16th century colonial Spanish town. And the vibe here is chill, man. I don't get that scared, like who is he? I don't get that. I get that welcoming vibe. You know, Guatemalans are very friendly people. The only thing that I would advise anyone coming out here, you realize it's very hot. Hot like crazy, man. You know what I mean? It's very hot out here. Yeah, the vibe is really cool. Really chill vibe. Laid back. And I'm here in Antigua. So after spending my day in Antigua, I decided to head back to Guatemala City to experience the vibe there, to talk to the people, try the food, and understand the real culture of Guatemala City. But please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Please make sure that you share this video. Your like, your share, your subscription will help me grow this YouTube page. Thank you so much, and God bless you.